Hello all. Okay, so today we are going to try and find the IGI code, on a lab-grown diamond. So usually, as you can see here over here, we use the jeweler's loupe. This is what, like, when you search on Google or something, like, I want to see the number, how do I see it? So they would say, well, buy a loupe, a jeweler's loupe. It has 30 and 60 and 90 x magnifying power. But I wanted to see if I can use my phone, my iPhone or some other phone. And then I chat GPT'd it and everything, and they said, well, you can't. But I tried and I used my iPhone 13 Pro Max, which has the macro feature. And I was able to actually really clearly see the ID. So as you can see, the magnifying. So it's kind of converting to that macro feature. You can see the other stuff in the background kind of goes blur. So let's see. Can we find the? Okay, this is, I'm not using any magnifying glass or anything. Just using my iPhone, and you will be able to see the number. Like first, you see some over there. Okay, let's see. So I've got the ring very closer to my iPhone camera, and I can actually see the numbers. I'm gonna zoom in, with the phone, and I mean, whoa. So it means you actually, if you have an iPhone, any phone that has the macro feature, you can use it, and find the IGI. So it is lab grown, so you can see it. The number starts with LG, and for nature it's NA or something. But you should be able to see this code on, So I mean, it was a really great discovery. I just wanted to share it with my customers. So if you want to find the code, like if you buy a jewelry, that has a lab, that they claim it has a lab grown or a natural diamond, you can just use any phone with the macro feature, iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro Max, or maybe in Samsung, others, they have it, and kind of you can wait. And then when you have the number, you can go to the IGI or other official websites and verify the numbers. So, yeah, thank you very much. Use this feature. Bye bye.